Um, so let's try simple stuff like this. Oh dear. Having some issues. In copy constructor. Let's see. Oh, C. I wonder why I said that. That doesn't make sense. What am I trying to do here? T.str I think is what I mean. Right? Yeah. Not sure why I wrote that out. Line 60 and ST. I must have made a typo. Sometimes TextEdit doesn't show line numbers, but sometimes I'd like to know where line 60 is, so I'll use the shell command cat or cat, and then with the n switch, -n, if you don't really know what switches are in terms of shells, or bash, or whatever any of that is. But you can just type cat -n and then your source file, and it'll output your source with line numbers. So I see line 60, which is in the operator equals, I made a typo. Let's fix that. And once again, I keep typing C. I wonder why that must be because the first time I typed it, that was correct, but then the next times, I messed it up. But anyway, that should work now. Line 66, we're having an issue. Operator plus does not match what's going on up here. Oh, I forgot to write out the const. It's important to remember, and I forgot it. But there we go. Line 68 in constant integer. That's weird. Let's, what line is that again? I forgot. 68. Okay, that's up here in the plus operator. Character pointer new str equals new char strlen plus strlen t.length plus 1. That seems like it'd be alright. What was the error? Invalid conversion from constant integer to constant character pointer. Initializing argument 1 of size t strlen. Oh, yeah, why did I do that? This should not be t.length and whatnot. It should be t.str, I see. That's weird. Guess I just got kind of confused when I was typing that out. But there we go, now we're compiled and no compile errors. Let's try running it. Your name is Duncan. Alright, excellent. That's working. Let's try if we don't give it an initial value. Okay, that looks good too. Let's try doing something like this, using the copy constructor. Let's see if that works. Okay, that looks good. Let's see, what else was I trying to do? Well, we might as well try appending or concatenation. I'll set name be Mario, and then I'll make a team, and have that be name plus and Luigi. So hopefully this should make a new text object, which will be Mario and Luigi, and assign that to the team variable. So let's see about that. Hopefully we'll get Mario and Luigi here. Your name is Mario and Luigi. Alright, obviously it's not my name, but the point is that our appending is working, so that's excellent. What else were we going to try to do? Obviously cout is working, so that's excellent. We still have to try comparisons and input. So let's try name, cout, enter your name, and then we'll name.getInput, see how that does, and then we'll cout, or well, let's try doing a comparison. If name equals Duncan, then we'll say welcome back, else we'll say first login, something like that. Maybe we're trying to make a database here, I don't know, some kind of something for that. Uh-oh, having an issue. Oh, I forgot to put in CN here. There we go. Enter your name. First I'll try Mario. Bus error. Well, that's not good. What happens if I try Duncan? I don't expect... Yeah, still got a bus error. Okay. Something wrong with our get input function. Let's take a look. Let's see. Seems alright. If length equals 0, and length will equal 0, right? The first time? Yeah. We want to go else, then increase length by 1. I think that's what we'd like. And then we also want to, let's see, we only want to copy it over. Well, we also got to be careful, because if we don't want to copy if str equals null, or does not equal null, then we want to be copying str into new str. But if there's nothing in str, then we don't want to bother copying it. So, and then if length is 2, yeah, okay, that should, I think that'll fix it. First login, okay, that's good. Looks like our comparisons are working, but to be sure, let's try Duncan. Welcome back. Excellent. So, looks like our class is pretty functional. If you're wondering what I just did here, because I didn't really talk about what I did, first of all, I forgot that when checking if length is 0, we want to set length equal to 2, but then I hadn't had this else block here, so we were increasing it again, which was leading to errors down the road. So we didn't want to do that, so I put in that else, so that length would only get increased if length hadn't been 0 to start with. There are other solutions, but whatever you'd like. I also added this in, where it only copies over the str into new str if it isn't null, because it shouldn't bother copying it if it's not null, or if it is null, I mean. So whatever, no huge deal. Okay, so that looks good. It looks like we've actually finished this class. One more thing, I want to try out first login. Let's have them welcome name. I want to try a pretty long name. See how that works. Let's try like Princess Toadstool. First login, welcome Princess Toadstool. Okay, it looks good. It looks like it's actually working exactly how we intended it to. It can expand with any amount of length. It'll do append and stuff like that. Looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Again, thank you for watching. If you have a comment or are confused or just like some help with a part of this or some other aspect of C++, feel free to send me a message or a comment. If you liked the video, rate it high, like 4 or 5 stars. If you didn't like it so much, that's fine with me. I appreciate the feedback anyway. Leave it like 1 or 2 stars, and I'll be thankful either way. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos right as they come out. So again, thank you for watching, you guys. I hope you liked it this time, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.